Welcome back. Hope you're having a great day so far. Meteorologist Anna Renta here. Let's keep you up to date with the forecast. Now we'll start with today's forecast, and then we'll get to the storm system, of course, that we have coming in for Wednesday night and into Thursday. Things may be quite snowy, so let's just talk about this nice quiet weather that we have for today. Temperatures in the 30s out there, some 20s as well. 28 in Waterbury, 29 in Torrington, 33 Windsor Locks, down to 30 in Putnam. So a lot of towns down around or even below freezing, which means we could have some patchy areas of some ice out there. So just something to keep in mind. Nothing significant, but a little bit of the leftover precipitation, that the water, little puddles on the ground may have frozen over, and you may notice that the grass is kind of crunchy when you step outside. So just those are things to keep in mind. Watch that first step out the door this morning, as it may be a little slick in a couple spots. Not a serious concern though. A couple of flurries across parts of Litchfield County in the last 2 hours, but nothing significant. So overall today we'll clear it out, get some sunshine in here, mostly sunny skies, temperatures into the 30s, which is where we are now. So it's not really going to warm up at all. Chilly and breezy. That wind will pick up during the day around 10 to 25 miles per hour. So we'll get kind of gusty. Those wind chills will be down to the 20s all day. Absolutely dress warm if you're headed outside at any point during the day today and tonight as well. The sun coming up at 7:12, going down at 4:20. And after that sun goes down, it'll get cold. Temperatures down to the teens across the state, right around 15 to 20 for much of the state. Mainly clear skies, light winds, although even just a little bit of a breeze can make you feel pretty cold throughout the night tonight. Now let's talk about the storm system. So Wednesday, the daytime hours should be quiet. Nothing really happening, just mostly cloudy skies, but no precipitation for the daytime hours on Wednesday. Then as we go through Wednesday evening into the overnight hours, that's when we have the potential for that snow and the possibility for some very heavy snow across the state late Wednesday night and into early Thursday. So we have a winter storm watch in effect for the entire state and really the entire area, with winter storm warnings just down to our southwest. And I expect that to expand across Connecticut later on today and possibly into tonight. The National Weather Service will upgrade us to a winter storm warning as we get closer to the event. So it's a timing thing. But basically, we are very confident in the possibility for 6+ inches of snow across really much of this area. So here's that snow beginning on Wednesday evening, 7:30, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, around that time frame. After sunset on Wednesday it begins, and then it falls heavily at times into Thursday morning. Here's 2 a.m. Really nasty conditions out on the roads if you're going to be out and about during the morning on Thursday. Some heavy bands will likely set up, and this happens in any developing nor'easter that we see. There will be one band of snow that just kind of sits over some part of the state. Is it going to be northern Connecticut? Is it going to be southern Connecticut? Which part of the state gets it? That's something we'll have to keep an eye out for, but at this point it does look like really anywhere across the state will likely be in that 8 to 14 inch range. There could be some higher amounts in there as well. We see those localized areas that see, towns that see upwards of 15, maybe 16 inches of snow. So we'll keep an eye out for that, but overall some very heavy snow coming in for Wednesday night and into Thursday morning. Then by Friday night into Saturday morning, look at that, some cold weather. Those are those low temperatures in the teens and some single digits as well. So it will get quite cold, and it stays cold in your 7-day forecast. But of course, we'll have more updates on the storm system all throughout the day today and tomorrow and Thursday morning as well. For now, I'll send it back to you.
All right, thank you, Dan. 4:47, and access to books, it's not necessarily a given for children.